Hello everyone, Adam here from Adam Option Academy. Today lesson will be about risk management and risk levels and also the different scenario you can follow to manage your account. This video will be on 3 parts for 5k accounts and 25k accounts and 100k accounts, and also I will explain how we can play Lotto Friday at the end of the video. Let's begin. First of all, we have to understand what is the risk management. It is the most important things in option trading, because option trading is very dangerous and you should always have a good risk management, because it is the most important tools that will help you to keep your account safe and grow over time. Any trader have a good risk management and have a good winning strategy, like 7 winning trade from 10. At the end of every week you will see yourself green and your account getting bigger and bigger every month. And when your account getting bigger and bigger, the risk management will be much easier. And always you should, on your trades, you should always focus on the percentage winning rate. Do not focus on the money, because if you are focused on the money, you will get scared and panic sale on your trades. Now let's begin, and we will go through each account value and we will see how we will manage this account. First account is $5,000 to $10,000 account. This is a very important account, because most of the new trader start with this money, and I always advise people to start with 5,000 or 10,000, because risk management will be much easier. If from you start only with 1,000 account, risk management gonna be very risky and very hard. Okay, first thing, we should always have a cash account. This will help us to avoid BTT rules. You can get cash account by connect your broker and ask them for that. The only things is not good in cash account, any trade you take for any money will come back to your account next day. For 5,000 account, we have 3 risk levels. The first risk levels is save trades. You can put $500 to $1,000 for each trade, and you have 2 scenarios here. If you enter with $500 for a trade, you have a chance to add it and average down your cost, average price cost, with another $500. You can use this strategy only if you very sure from your trade, but the stock have little move down, so this is, you can use the average down and added another $500 to your trade and try to manage this trade with a stop loss, maybe 20%, 25%. And you can also manage this trade without stop loss. And you should always, before enter any trade, you should always have that plan. You already decided that before you enter in any trade, this trade will be like 50% stop loss and 50% taking profit, or you will decide this is 20% stop loss only, or this trade have no stop loss. If you enter in $500 for each trade, your goal from each trade is 20% and above. 20% for $500 is $100 gains from each trade, and the stop loss should always be the same, so you have always don't let your losses eat all your profits. And this problem is most of beginners trader will fall with this problem. For the 5,000 account, you will have 10 trades every day in your accounts. You should not take 10 trades for each $500. You should only take 2 to 3 trades, a very good setup. And when you make a good money, always turn your computer off and walk away, because if you stay, you will give your profit back. The second risk level is risky. You put in each trade from 1,000 to 1,000 half on each trade, but in this scenario we never average down, because if we average down and we take a lose, this lose gonna be big. And in this level we should always have a stop loss. Our maximum stop loss 25%, and we should always start taking profit and scale our position above 20 or 25% or 30%. All you take half of your profits at 20%, then you set a stop loss on the break even for the rest, and you start taking more profit when you are above 30 and 40%. And in this scenario you can have, after you sold all your contracts, you can have 1 contracts and you leave as a runner, but your runners should always have a stop loss. Like example, if your runners up like 80%, your stop loss must be on 40% gain, trailing stop loss, and you don't let these runners come back to break even or to red. The last risk level is very risky. I will go through this because I know so many people love to risk, but I myself, I don't recommend this. For 5,000 account or 10,000 account, you can take with 2,000 and half for each trade. This is a very risky trade and I don't recommend anyone use it. But if you have a very good setup and you are like 90 or 80% very short from the trade you're gonna take, you can take it, but you should always stick with a stop loss at 20%, so that if your trade go wrong, your lose is gonna be small and not eat all your account. Like the famous saying, survive to trade another day. You should always not let one trade eat all your money, because this gonna destroy you and you will live in big emotion, and any next trade you will take, you will try to recover from your losses, and so what's gonna happen, you will lose more and more. For me, I recommend it you use this level, the save level, for a month, and you see this level will be perfect with each trade, and you have a stop loss for 20%, and you start scale your position above 20% and 30%. Now let's jump on 25,000 account. This account will be much easier from the small account for risk management. You can have margin account and you can have also cash account, there is no problem. The risk level will be very easy and your profit gonna be much bigger from the small account. For safe level, the same scenario for 5,000 accounts, but the each trade, one trade we can take with $1,000 to $2,000. And if we enter with $1,000 and we are very sure and this account go red on us, this trade, we can average with another 5, another 100, another $1,000, so we can get a better average price. But we use this only when we are very sure from our trade. And if we enter right away with $2,000 for each trade, we should always stick with a stop loss, like for 25%, 20%, and we never average down. If we enter right away with 2,000 account, $2,000, and you should always stick with a stop loss on this, like 20%, 25%, and the same, you start scale your profit above 20 and 20%. For me, I don't like to take a profit for 5% because option always move fast, and you can see yourself down 10%. After maybe 5 minutes, you will see yourself up 10%. So you should always trade with no emotion and control yourself when you see red trades, and you should always focus on the percentage. Now we have the risky level. We take on risky level each trade $2,500 to $3,000. In this scenario, we don't average down, and we should always stick with a stop loss. And like I told you, we should always have a plan before we enter any trades. We should always decide what we gonna do. Like if I take Apple calls with $3,000, I already have and decide how much is my stop loss, or I will have no stop loss on this one, and I can lose all the $3,000. This will help me when I already know my losses. This will help me to trade without any emotion, and I will control myself. And you should always stick with your stop loss. For this risk level, I suggest you have 20% stop loss, and you start scale your position above 15 and 20%, sold half your position and start selling in multi-stages, and you can leave 1 or 2 runners at the end of the market so you can get a bigger gains. For very risky level, and this level I don't like, but if we have a very good setup and we are very sure from our trade, and do not use this level ever, never in the same day expire. Always use this level for 4 days, 5 days expire, so the premium move very slow and you can control your trades and trade it very professionally. And on this level, no average down. You should always have a stop loss, not more than 20%, and you start taking profit 15 to 20%, and you take profit and multi-stages just like this level. And but on this level you can leave more runners, and like in this level, if you are up 20%, that's mean you made $1,000 for the day. And for me, I prefer at the beginning you use this, and when your account getting above $30,000, you can jump to this level, because this level will be the safe level for you if your account will be more than $30,000 or $40,000. Now, my favorite account value is 100K. You can manage your position very easy. I just did this because this was not right. Okay, let's start. This is my favorite risk level. Okay, now let's start with this 100K account, and this actually my favorite because risk management very easy, and on each trade you take you can make a very good profits. like 20% profit from 5,000 is 1,000, and this is a very good risk management, because if you take a trade with 5,000 account, that means this is only 5% from your account, and this is amazing, because if you made only 10 to 20%, that means you can make very easy 2,000, 1,000 per day without any risk, high risk. For safe level, you can start with $2,000 to 5,000. If you enter with 2,000, that means you have one more chance to average down your position with 2,000. So the maximum from each account is 5% only from the maximum accounts. But if you enter with $5,000 right away, you will have stick with a stop loss 25% or 20%. And like I said on the preview account, we should always have the plan before we enter any trade. For risky level, we can take trade from 5 to 10% from our account value, and this will be 5,000 to $10,000, and this will be a very good trade. But I don't suggest you jump right away on this level. Try to start with this level and build some profits, so above maybe $10,000, then jump on this level. This will help you to manage more money, because you already make money from this level. Then you can jump to this level, and you can take each trade with $5,000 and $10,000 to $10,000. But in this level, on a risky level, we don't have average down. Remember guys, if we before any trade, if we decide to average down in our position, we will use this level. But if we decide we don't have any average down and we will stuck with the stop loss, we will use this level. So if we take a trade with 10,000 accounts, and that means our maximum lose from our account will be like 2,000 accounts, and the maximum lose is 20 to 25% from the 10,000, not from the 100. That means only $2,000 to $3,000 for each trade. And for profit, we start scalping our position above 50%, 15. That means if we take trade and we are up 20%, that means this is $2,000. We sold half of our contracts and we set a stop loss to the break, so we don't miss any more profits when our position will be more value and more percentage. We will start scalping our position and we will taking profit above 30 and 40%. Then when we sold all our contracts, we can like have 5 runners to 10 runners maybe for SPY, and if we are up on these runners 15%, 50% to 60%, we should always have a trailing stop loss for 30%, and we don't miss anything. On this account, we don't have very risky level, and we will not use very risky level because the risky level is very good and the safe level is very good, and we can make a good profit from this level. It is not worth to take any trade above $5,000 or $10,000. And if you have money, you can start with this, but not right away. If you are a good trader and you already tried this account and you already traded with this account before, and you feel you have a good strategy, a winning strategy, 7 from 10 trades, you can start with this, and you should stick with the stop loss, and every week you will see you made a good profit, and month after month you will see your account getting bigger and bigger. Try this levels and this risk management for 1 week in paper accounts and see what is work for you, what is the best for you, and after 1 week or 2 week or 3 week on paper account, and try to see what is the best for you and go and apply this on real accounts. Okay guys, I hope this was useful for you, and Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And if you want to join us on our community and Discord, you will find link below. We trade every morning. We do live trading on voice with 300 members in our community. We are like family. If you want to join us, I will be very happy. Like and subscribe, guys, for more videos. And goodbye, and have a good profit, and stay green. Bye bye.